Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss or going to show you how to open a MetaTrader 4 account. So first of all, as you can see here on the screen, we just go to Google, type in MetaTrader 4. Okay, MetaTrader 4. So what we want to do is we've got these different URLs, different companies here, but let's go to MetaTrader 4 itself and scroll down, and here we are, MetaTrader 4 platform for forex trading, technical analysis. But click on download. Click on download MetaTrader 4, and then you can download. Let's see, we actually want MetaTrader 4, so we can go to trading platform here, MetaTrader 4. There we are, MetaTrader 4. Scroll down to the end and click here. It says here, download MetaTrader 4 and open a demo account to receive all this for free. So of course you click on that, it'll download, and we'll very simply get to the next stage. Okay, I'm going to click on it for you as well. So it's downloading here to my computer, whereas I don't really need that because I already have it, but that's what you'll get. And then once you open it up, I'll show you the next step. That's it, simple as that. Let's scroll back up so you can just have another look at the page. There we are. Hope it doesn't make you dizzy. There we are. You'll get all that. Okay, so we're going to get to a stage where our screen will look like this. Okay, let's go right to the top and finish with the MetaTrader 4. Okay, thank you.